Hello guys, welcome to the channel Mr. Unboxer. As you can see, today we would unbox and review Google Pixel 4a mobile phone. It is the latest launch by Google in India. The purpose of review would be to enable you to make a decision whether this phone is just right for you or not. So friends, first let's have a look at the case of this. This is a typical Google style pack, which is a Google logo at the top, and you can get to see the glimpse of the mobile at the front. And there is a side view also for the mobile mentioned here, and as you can see at the bottom there are details related to the mobile mentioned. Now let's unpack this. This is the Google Pixel 4a mobile for you, and let's look at the accessories also. As you can see, here is some reading material, and there is a SIM ejector tool also provided, and this is the 18-watt charger, and this is the USB-C cable, and then USB-A adapter is also provided. So that's all about the accessories. Now let's have a look at the mobile with details. So guys, look at the physical design. It's a 5.8-inch OLED display, and the mobile looks quite sturdy and compact, and it has a unibody polycarbonate build. Now it's a very light phone. It weighs only 140 grams. It has a square shaped camera, as you can see on the upper left hand corner, with a single lens of 12.2 megapixels, and there is a fingerprint sensor at the back which has been provided, and there is an 8 megapixel selfie camera. Then as you can see on the right side, there is a volume rocker button, and then green power lock unlock button, and then there is a secondary microphone and headphone jack 3.5 mm at the top. The left side, as you can see, is smooth, and it has only SIM tray. And at the bottom, as you can see, there is a primary microphone, a speaker grill, and C port, and it also has stereo speaker support. Friends, camera is supposed to be the USP 12.2 megapixel rear camera with f1.7 aperture and 8 MP selfie camera, and it uses the Sony IMX363 sensors. We'll share some snaps from this camera phone. Pics are just brilliant, and camera works decently even in the low light conditions. Talking about the other technical aspects, it's powered by the Snapdragon 730G, which is Qualcomm mid-range processor with 6GB 128GB of RAM. It has a decent battery 3140 mAh, which can last an entire day. And there's a 18-watt fast charger which can charge fully from 0 to 100 in approximately 70 minutes. So guys, we are slowly drawing towards the conclusion now. First, look at the bright side of the mobile. First of all, it's a sturdy, compact and durable mobile, and it's quite lightweight, weighs only 140 grams. It has excellent camera, which is comparable to simply the best, and it is the most affordable Pixel phone in India at the rate rupees 29,999, and it has been provided by Flipkart at these rates, and it has Android 11, so it means that it has certain special features which only Pixel owners get. And as Google owns the operating system Android, you are guaranteed minimum 3 years of operating system and security updates. And moreover, you get 100 GB of free Google One storage for 3 months. And friends, now towards the flip side of this mobile. First of all, there is no wireless charging. It's not water resistant, and there's no fancy finishing, multicolors or pop-up cameras, and the phone looks simple in appearance, and it's available only in one color, just black, and there's no face unlock feature also in this mobile. And friends, now finally for the verdict from our side. If you are looking for a premium brand with best camera, compact and simple design with durability and affordability, then this Just Black is just for you. But if you are looking for other fancy and flashy features such as wireless charging, face unlock, water resistance, pop-up cameras, etc., then you may think otherwise. Thanks.